Hi, it's Asian Mom Cooking here. Today I'm going to show you how to make thin green onion crepes, and these are the ingredients you need. 1 tablespoon of green onion chopped, 2 eggs, 1/4 cup of flour, 1/2 cup of water, oil, salt, cucumber is optional, and shredded pork, which is also optional. Okay, here I'm going to prepare the batter. So I'm going to put in flour, 1/3 teaspoon of salt, 2 eggs, followed by the onion and the water. And then just mix. And it will be a little bit crummy, so therefore you have to let it stand for 15 minutes and then you're going to mix it again. And the crumminess will be gone. Okay, it's been 15 minutes and this is how my batter looks like. Okay, my pan is on medium heat. Just add a little bit of oil. And then add 1 scoop of the batter. My pan is a little big, so you can make a smaller circle or bigger circle. Use my thing to help it to look like a circle. It takes about 2 to 3 minutes, but the color will change once it's cooked. 2 minutes has been gone, and I can see the dryness on the top. So I'm going to flip it over. Nice and golden brown. See how pretty it is? And I just want it to a little bit golden brown on both sides. It takes 1 minute. This is like half a minute, so it's not brown enough. See? Beautiful. Repeat the same thing, a little bit of oil. Don't need too much. So it's been 2 minutes and the color has changed, and it's time to flip it. See, it's golden brown, and it takes another minute for this side. Nice and golden brown, so it's ready. Now that I have finished pan frying all the crepes, and I made 5 in total, and I am going to show you different ways of eating it. You can either eat it alone like this. That's one way. If you prefer some fillings, you can add in some cucumber, like me. I like the crunchiness, so I am adding a couple, and some shredded pork. This is very tasty pork. You don't have to put too much, just a little, and it will help the taste so much. Just like, and you can see I close the end, and you can just eat it like that. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click the bell to get notified next time I upload.